Hello everyone, welcome back to Sue's Cooking and Outdoors. It has been a while since I've been in my fields and my bush, and I like to reinstall my camera, my trail camera, to try and capture some big animals. I mean, just to get started. So come and follow me please and enjoy your ride. I have to say that it's the first time I see corn in this field, and I've been here for 33 years. Because last year my neighbors sold to someone else, and this year they planted corn. It's nice to see. Hopefully it will bring the deer in for the hunt in the fall for my son when he comes. To see if I can find a pathway, a trail where the deer cross, and I want to install my camera there. I do not know if they're using that one. I will keep looking. While I have not found any trail that seems to be recent. Since the corn is there, things have changed. They changed their trails. Oh, that don't look to be too high, the corn there. So I do not know what their habits are, and I don't see them in the field because it's all blocked from my home. Before we used to see them in the field. There's some places the corn is very high, and other places it's not so high. I do not know if it's because of the temperature or the seed of the corn. It could be different kinds of corn. My son's camera is here. It is a trail. I'm just going to take up some weeds for him. Oh, that's a bit better. I can go find a spot now. So I finally found a place to put my camera. It's not too far from my son's place where he has his. I just want to check it to be sure that the signal is there. Oh, there it is. Oh, I just love hearing the sounds in the bush. Gotta find a way to get through here. It's a bumpy ride, oh my. I go around the cows as to try to disturb them less. I think I'm gonna make some some muscle in my right arm, because one arm driving this there, not always easy. Woo. I'm not sure if that's a killdeer bird. I think they generally nest on the ground. Well, I'm back home. So I'd like to thank you all for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed the ride. And please, don't be shy. If you like outdoors, cooking, anything to do with trail cams, flowers, please subscribe to my channel. I greatly appreciate it. Until next time, my friends, you all have a great day. Be careful out there. Bye.